Ano, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louis Season and welcome to Where in Pampanga. Nandito ako ngayon sa The Orchids. I think this is The Orchids. This is at Lazatin Boulevard, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Particularly BAYA Grillers na feature namin to before mag-quarantine, and then lately na lang namin na-post yung video nila. So as a part of helping the industry, the business community, we are letting you know guys na they are open for deliveries and for pickups. Lagay ko lang tong hello po. Sino po yung Mami Lane? And guys, so ito yung BAYA Grillers. Ayan BAYA Grillers. So this is located dito sa nano yung po kasi lugar in The Orchids, nano yung po yun na? Ito, so The Orchids Garden, yan. During Friday, Saturday, Sundays, ang lugar na to dati guys ay gimikan ng mga taga San Fernando and mga nearby towns. Ay, ito yung Mami Lane. Nandito na si Mami Lane. Hello po, medyo madalamdam niya. Hello!
Hi po!
Kumusta kayo po?
Mayat naman po.
Ay, nitang malago kaya itong video tamo. Hindi pong oras na ini, habi tayo Ma'am Elaine. Hi, tapa mo po kayong Where in Pampanga community tamo. So ito, ano na po pa sa bayan mo?
Tokwat baboy po, pinaputok tilapia at saka sisig po.
Oh man, meet the stana naman kanini. Okay, ba't po?
Kay ba't sir neptang platter minsan? Barbecue.
Which is sining kay making niya famous si BAYA Griller.
Hindi po talaga yung pinaka-business.
Alright, okay. Thank you po. Nice. Uwi na tayo dahil habang mainit, mas masarap ang pagkain. Mas masarap ang pagkain, kinakain habang mainit. Yun ang gusto kong sabihin. Okay, kinin lang po. Thank you. Ooh, look at that. Ayun guys, so kararating ko nga ngayon dito sa bahay. These are still from BAYA Grillers. They have been in the industry like 3 years now. Expert na expert po sila in terms of sa mga grilled food natin dyan. Let me open this first para pakita natin yung mga pinadala nila sa atin. Whoa! Check that out, guys. So dito sa bilao na pinadala nila, meron tayong pork barbecue. So this is 39 pesos per stick. So meron din tayong chicken tail, 69 pesos each. So sa chicken legs natin guys is only 69 pesos each. Ayan. Wow. And then for the liempo, per serving nila is just 99 pesos. May mga ibang dishes pa sila na bestseller like this one. So this is their Sisig. Oh man, I can still recall, I can still imagine when we were there at binablog namin si BAYA Grillers on site. And isa sa mga favorite ko guys, again, Sisig. Let's proceed. So meron pa silang, so this one is the pinaputok na tilapia. Oh man. And then another dish guys na popular pa sa kanila is itong tokwat baboy. Tokwat baboy. So kagaya nga ng sinabi ko sa inyo guys, dito sa Where in Pampanga, we would like to help the small businesses and even the homegrown startup businesses to really pick up, lalong-lalo na ngayong COVID-19 pandemic. If you like griller dishes straight to your home, make sure to check out yung fan page nila. Call and text the number we'll be providing here. Stay home as much as possible. Spend the time with your family. These dishes are available po sa BAYA Grillers. Thanks so much for watching Where in Pampanga guys. I'm gonna enjoy this with my family. And yeah, thanks for watching until our next video. Bye-bye.